Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and today we're in Phoenix Park Village 2, Phase 5, located in Portmore, St. Catherine, to check out my brand new listing, which is a 2-bed, 1-bath, fully air conditioned, fully solared, with cable and internet included, plus hot water as well, for $140,000 per month. If you're just as excited as I am to check out this property, leave it down in the comment section below. But enough of the chattings, man, no one ready for the video. One ready? Run me intro. Welcome to your new home for the lucky person that gets to rent this property. As you can see, there is a garbage disposal to my right as you enter, and some level of landscaping has begun with these nice plants that have been planted right here. All these homes are identical, so how you would identify yours is by the lot number, and then at the top you have the solar system and the solar water heater as well, and there's also a gas gauge for your gas cylinder, and the homeowner has put in a water filtration system as well. So you have this nice lighting fixture on the outside, weatherproof power outlet, this nice gray door gives a very grand feel, and as you enter you'll hear a sound, which is the alarm system alerting us that one of the doors have been opened. As I mentioned in the intro, this property comes inclusive of cable and internet, which you'll be getting digital cable and internet. Nice tiles on the floor, and it is an open concept with the living flowing into the dining, flowing into the kitchen. And as I mentioned in the intro as well, here you have your air conditioning unit in your living room. Security system is right there, the lights, AC remote. There are some curtain rods here for you as well. Nice large windows to let all of the natural light in and breeze if you so decide not to use your AC. So let me show you everything from this corner. Light is right there. This is where your dining table would be. And then we move to the back, through to the kitchen. You have a breakfast nook right here. Upper cabinetry with soft close functionality. Your stove will be placed there. Your refrigerator will be placed here. Additional shelving. So you have ample space to put all your pots and pans, your dishwashing liquid, and you have a double bowl stainless steel sink. More shelving right here and drawers. Alright. And then some people will retrofit this area to put their washing machine. There is also, of course, the outside. So this is what it looks like from the back. And then you have a line right here for you to dry your clothing. Let me just show you this side. And that's the water filtration system I was telling you about, and the gas gauge before. And you can see the solar panels up top. You have lighting here, power outlet here, and you have here retrofitted to put a washing machine. There are some very nice washing machine covers. So if you do decide to rent this property, I can recommend a washing machine cover for you that I saw online. I'm not in any way connected with them, but I just saw it and it seemed like a very nice idea for persons who have to store their washing machines on the outside. So have a space here, a little broom closet, and some additional spacing right there as well, with additional space up top. And of course, whenever you rent the property, all these things will be taken out. So this is the secondary bedroom, just to the back. Have a light right there, power outlet there, another one there, and another one over there. AC is right here. AC remote is up top. Let's check out the closet. This is the closet space. Very nice. And you have additional storage above there. Pretty nice, pretty nice. You can see what's going on in the back from there. Let's look at the bathroom. The toilet right there. Close that down, soft close. Towel rack. Glass shower enclosure. Give me a close up on the fixture. Nice. Heavy window right there. Alright. Nice. And if you have watched this video to this point, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and to also subscribe if you're enjoying this video. So we're gonna back out of the bathroom and move into the primary bedroom. So this is the primary bedroom. And this can definitely fit a queen or king bed. Power outlet there, power outlet there. Window here. AC is over there, another window there, the closet there, and the door leading to the bathroom. Similar setup for the closet. Similar space up top. Alright. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this property. If you've seen one Phoenix property, you've seen them all. They have just upgraded them to add nicer fixtures, add solar power, and my client has decided to outfit the entire home with air conditioning. Did some touches on the outside, as you can see, just to add some beautification to the outside for now. And also, he added a water filter and a cage for you to put your gas on top of the garbage bin on the outside. So if you're interested in this property or you want any more information as it pertains to this property, you can reach out to me at 876-819-9918, or you can reach me at my email akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm. But that's been it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to put out more videos for this month and next month and all the months to come. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms and continue striving for that as I am. Alright? Thanks again so much for watching. AB signing out.